Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm really happy to be showcasing the MX Master 3S mouse from Logitech. Here it is in a really neat white color. This works with so many different systems. So you have a button right here, you have a button here, a button here, the mag scroll wheel, which I'll show you how that works. Then you have another scroll for your thumb right there, scroll wheel, and two more buttons and a light. And then on the bottom you have triple connection button, so you just press it for 1, 2, or 3 device, and an on-off switch to save power. And then you have the USB-C charging port up top. They include the charging cable, that's nice, so that's a USB-C to USB-A, and the Logi bolt adapter if your computer needs one. This also works with Bluetooth, which is neat. So here's some more details on the back. You have that really cool mag speed on the scroll wheel up top, so you can do a lot of lines at hyper fast speeds. And it's comfortable to hold on to for an extended period of time. Your hand just rests like that, so it's perfect for all the buttons right there. And precision with 8,000 DPI sensor. That's on the bottom right there, 8,000 DPI. And then you can have it connect to your Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome OS, iPad OS, and Android. So that's all the systems pretty much that you would want to connect a mouse to. So if you want to use Bluetooth, it just works right out of the box. Or if you want to use the Logi bolt with your Windows machine or whatever else that's compatible with, you can use this, but not needed if you don't want to. I have it connected to an iPhone right here. It's already been paired, and we'll show you how the scroll works. Okay, so now we have the website right there, and we're scrolling. And we're scrolling a lot. See how fast that went? And then I can go right back to the top, scroll really fast. So when you move it around, right there, super fast scrolling. See, right there, boom, all the way to the top. And there you go. That is the MX Master 3S from Logitech, and you saw it just work on an iPhone, and of course all the other systems you can use with it right there, and all the description below will have the details. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.